Okay, today what we're doing, we're just continuing the first video, which was Zoom block versus the HVAC Super Pro. And in that video, I apologize, I ran out of battery, but I did complete the first test piece. And if you'll remember, what we're doing is aluminum to copper. Some of these are crimped, some of them aren't. The Zoom lock fittings are all crimped in. And what I plan on doing is having this piece tested to failure. And then I'll do an update video just to see which parts had failed. But I do believe it's going to be the soft copper that fails, or the aluminum. But the Zoom lock fittings, I don't believe they're going to fail. But the one thing that I want to mention too was the bell. This is actually the bell fitting representative of evaporator coil or a condensing unit outside. And Zoom lock, they've admitted that there's a problem and that there is not really a solution for the bell end. And what they've been recommending people do is just cut the bell end off. And whenever they do that, there's not enough room for the Zoom lock fitting to completely engage the O-ring the way that it should. So basically, what I've come up with is, I believe, a really good solution. And what it does, it involves the HVAC Super Pro. And the directions on that are that you sand the copper with 60 grit sandpaper. It comes with a roll of sanding cloth. So the outside of the soft tubing, hard tubing, that's what you want to do. The inside of the bell end of the service valve, they want you to take 60 grit, the same roll, go round and around, actually put some grooves in there. And what it does, it actually helps the Super Pro to completely engage both surfaces of the metal. But these pieces I've already prepared these, but they're ready to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and assemble this, and then we're going to go ahead and crimp it. So this is a crimping tool that I've come up with, and it actually crimps it in 3 places. Now this whole tool assembly will be for sale on eBay. I'm just letting you know I'm going to be selling this, but I'm really just trying to find a way that actually works and works well. Here's a test piece that I've already done, and this is the HVAC Super Pro in a hardened state condition. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see there, the rippling, or actually the crimping, which has taken place, which really has a very good bond, a very good seal. And instead of just having one place, it actually has 3 different places to prevent it from failing. But anyway, I just crimped it to some aluminum, because that's the other advantage of the Super Pro, is you can crimp to either, I guess, copper to brass, brass to aluminum, any combination to copper. Okay, but what we're going to do, we're just going to apply a little bit of the Super Pro per the directions on the inside of the fitting, like that. You want to get a good coat all the way around. Make sure you get it all the way around. Okay, and you do have just a few, couple minutes probably of working time before that you have to put them together. But this is just a little bamboo. It's like a bamboo skewer, and I've cut the sharp part off, but it works very good for applying it. So just get it all the way around. So what they want you to do is assemble it, do one full twist if you can, but anyway, if you can twist it, then you've got a good coating. I'm going to wipe off the excess quickly, then we're going to put it in the crimp tool, line it up, and right there, and we're going to crimp it. Okay, and you're done. So really, that's what we've come up with. Now normally you would, if you had brazed that, you would have got probably some trash in there. Not only that, a lot of heat. You know, on the inside you would have had to have nitrogen. This actually does completely make it braze free. You don't have to use nitrogen to purge it when you're finished. But if you pull a vacuum, that little bit of HVAC Super Pro that's on the inside, what it's going to do is it's going to make a bond on the inside, which is like a whole nother O-ring on the inside. and then it also is trapped just like it shows there in between. So it's very, very good seal. But anyway, hope you liked the video. But come see me on eBay and just see what do you think about the price, because I'm trying to find some way where we can actually do this and keep the price very affordable for everybody. So anyway, let me know, like the video, or comment, let me know. But I do want to bring these fittings and have them tested to failure whenever we're done. So till next time, thank you.